looking for an opportunity to be vulnerable, to share, to let go of some fears, to reset my life, to rest. I'm looking for tools for self-care. I give so much to people. I want to be able to give to myself, take care of myself, so I can be available for other people. Life can be just, it can be stressful. And this is a stress reliever for me to get away and just to enjoy nature and other people that just are looking to improve on themselves.
I met Sandra through working at Starbucks. She came in each morning always warm, always soft, and always compassionate. And I just knew that I had to get involved with what she was doing because she would talk about her retreat that she was going to start. And I could tell that she was just really excited and really upfront about what she was doing, and it was all clear. And so I invited my mom.
Yeah, and that's what got me here. It was my daughter. She invited me and she said, "Mom, this lady empowers women." And I said, well, I'm all about that. And to do it as a mother-daughter team, I thought was really special.
Before I created the Spa in Me, I went through a period of burnout and I had to figure out techniques to just de-stress. And eventually I figured out the modalities that worked best for me. Women would approach me, and so that's what prompted me to create my company. And it offers self-care coaching and retreats for women. The Rest, Reset, and Restore retreat is the first retreat that we're offering, and we will provide different self-care strategies for women to get an introduction to, and hopefully when they return home, they can easily use them.
My name is Ana Pilar. I'm a yoga teacher here for the Rest, Reset, and Restore retreat with Sandra. I've been invited to teach a yoga class called Yoga Nidra, which is a yoga sleep class. It's very good to help reduce stress, as well as any emotional patterns that we kind of fall into as our mind kind of spirals in its ways, as usual, through all the stimulation that we have because of work, family life, and whatever. So this yoga class will help everybody recognize some of these vacillations of their mind, as well as give them tools to help find a little bit more emotional balance.
Well, I'm Jeannie Guy, and I have a company called Jeannie Guy Gatherings. And what I'll be doing is leading a journaling workshop. Through the reflective writing, a person takes time to get to know him or herself, and it has to do with self-awareness. I'm actually a self-awareness writing coach. And I use reflective writing to help people take a long, hard look at themselves and see what they like and see what they don't like, and give them a path, give them a way to move forward and make the changes that they need to make.
There were two things that I really enjoyed the most. The first one was the cooking class. I like to cook, and I got the chance to experience different things. I learned a little bit more about foods that we're familiar with, cooking in a group environment. That was fun, and also learning some tips from professionals that do it for a living. So that was a really awesome experience.
So I came as an instructor teaching mindfulness in nature and about ecotherapy and the healing benefits of nature. And one of the central messages that I really like to help people walk away with is to slow down and to really put a lot of spaciousness into your nature walk or your experience with nature. And that's one of the things I really noticed in the schedule that I liked so much, was that in the schedule, it seems like she put lots of room to breathe and lots of spaciousness into the schedule, which fits a lot really well with my mindfulness in nature work. We live in such a busy society, and I think that really adds to so much of our anxiety and our stress. And so to come to a retreat, I can feel that it's very spacious and calm, and there's not a lot of hurry, get to this activity and do this really quickly. So that's one of the things I really noticed that makes me feel like I might like to come next year again.